Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from Nadula Hair, and they sent me their body wave lace front wig in the length 22 inches, but obviously I decided to cut it, so now it's probably about like a 16, definitely a 16 inch for sure. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this glueless install. This is literally no glue. So if you guys want to see how I got this, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. I'm going to make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. When the wig came, I had to bleach it and I had to pluck it, but plucking wasn't crazy just because, you know, the hairline wasn't so dense. It had a natural hairline, so I just had to go in and make it a bit more, you know, more natural. So now I'm going to go ahead to install the wig, and I think this is the medium brown lace, so you guys can see what the hairline of the wig looks like. Honestly speaking, I feel like I'm getting so much better when it comes to this whole like plucking, installing, and just having my wig look like I'm getting there. So every time I'm installing a wig, I like to clip the straps at the back together. This really helps when I'm trying to install my wigs. It just makes it easier, and obviously that's a way for you to actually get a glueless install. You guys are going to see how secure the wig is going to be. I just feel like I always have straight hair, so I'm gonna add some curls to the wig. Yeah, this is what I was saying about the wig fitting securely on your head without you gluing it down. That's because I clipped the straps at the back together. So if you had like if you had a closure wig or even a lace front wig where you don't want to glue it down, if you do the straps at the back, it makes it secure on your head, but obviously you might need to glue down the sides, but you can get away with it obviously if you wear it as a midi parting. So yeah guys, I'm trying to see if I can maybe do a glueless install, because this wig fits my head perfectly from ear to ear. Like, it actually fits my head perfectly. I don't think this is the HD lace, but this lace is pretty good. Like, it looks so good, and it's not even glued down yet. The lace is so stretchy, which is a good thing, because you know you're gonna get a good melt, because you can literally like, you can pull it. I'm going to apply some foundation onto the lace, which I should have done before cutting off the excess lace, but we're here now, so let's go. See how this looks. This looks, oh my god, this lace, oh, this looks so much better. I think the reason why I'm so impressed is the fact that this is not the HD lace. So right now I'm just pulling out some hair that I'm going to use as my baby hairs, but you guys can see how good this lace is. Like, guys, I haven't even, no glue, I haven't done I haven't done anything, and it looks this good. Like I said, this wig came as a body wave wig, but obviously because I had to bleach the knots when it came, obviously I had to wash the hair. So then I straightened it before coming on camera, but like not too much, because I know I'm gonna add curls to it anyway. So I'm gonna start off by cutting the hair. I feel like right now I'm just going with the flow, because I'm not the greatest when it comes to doing baby hairs, but I do try. So guys, just bear with me, okay? Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply some hair mousse on the hair, and then now I'm gonna grab my spoolie, and this is what I'm gonna use to just, you know, okay, so that's one side done. So now I'm gonna move on to the side. I've realized now that obviously using a spoolie, I definitely 100% have a lot more control. Basically, to get the glueless install, what you want to do is you want to put the hair mousse onto the lace. So you're basically going to use the hair mousse to lay down the lace. That's what you're doing, and then you're going to go in with a milk band, and then obviously use that to lay it down even further whilst just styling your hair basically. So that is how you get a glueless install. So I'm going to grab my milk band, and I'm just going to guys, come get you a milk band. You need one, honestly, you actually need one. So the density of this wig is 150, but I'm not gonna lie to you, it feels a lot fuller. It feels like it's more than that. So obviously because you have the milk band on, you can style your hair the way you need to. You don't need to worry about, you know, your lace coming off, because this is obviously holding your lace for you. So Okay, so now I'm going to try and add some curls to the wig using the Slade by Bailey curling one. As you guys can see, I'm used to using straighteners to curl my hair, or an actual curling one. So when it comes to curling ones like this one, I still need to practice basically. So let's see how this is going to come out.
Something without no trust. The rope in my been looking too low. What for? I don't need to show my love. Baby, my love slow. No, you be jealous, feel nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be there 1 or 2 or 3?
I'm going to take off my elastic band now, and then let's see what the lace is saying. Bearing in mind I didn't use any got2b spray or no gel or glue or anything. Guys, why am I so scared? I think I'm more scared about the baby hairs rather than... Actually, no. Like, you guys need to come and get your melt band. Come and get your melt band, okay? So guys, look. And it's not glued down. This is a glueless install right here. Just so you guys can see that this is 100% glueless, as you can see. Absolutely glueless, no glue, no gel, nothing. And it feels secure as well, so you don't have to worry about like, is my wig gonna come off? It feels absolutely secure, no lie. So I would like to think that I am done styling this wig, and I love the hair. The hair is so soft and it's so silky, honestly. I was thinking of cutting layers, but I was like, let me just leave it, but let me do it, I might as well. Just a little, just at the front right there. Okay, so guys, I'm done installing and styling this wig, and you guys can see that this is 100% glueless. So once again, like I said, this wig is from Nadula hair, and this is the body wave lace front wig in the length 22 inches, but I think it's probably like 14 to 16 inches now. The front is slightly longer than the back. But yeah guys, I'm done now. So let me know if you found this video very useful, because I even just learned something new myself today. So yeah guys, please let me know if you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. So guys, I just had to come back quickly. I've just brushed the hair now, and guys, this hair is so silky and so soft. Like, I love it. But yeah guys, I just thought I'd come back and show you guys what it looks like after being brushed. But yeah.